friends, I'm Matilda. I'm Bennett. Today I'm going to show you a magic trick. I have 3 coins in the top of the jar. Okay, there's 1 coin left. Look carefully. I'm gonna put this coin on the jar. Look carefully. Now, to make this magic trick, we need a rubber band, a balloon, 3 pieces of coin, a jar, and a scissors. To make this magic trick, you need to cut this balloon to be like this. After that, we need to get one of the coins and push it. Push the coin until like this and until the coin stuck in the balloon. After doing that, put this balloon in the jar. After doing that, put the 2 coins in here so it not looks like this is real. Abracadabra. Thank you.